good friend, Benji Autencio from President of LOPA. Most welcome, sir. Most welcome. Okay. Is everyone enjoying? Yes. Okay. Parang hindi na natin yung mga Pinoy, ha? Isang shoutout nga! Okay. So, this time, we will proceed on the awarding as we promised yesterday. Ngayon po ang ating awarding. Pasensya na po sa mga nag-expect kahapon. And I'm sorry because I think most of the awardees are not here tonight. That's why. Okay. So, before that, okay. We would like to call the presence of our Aluapa Hypermarket General Manager, Mr. Nabil, please, on stage. And is Mr. Mosen available? Yeah, please. And is your family name Bieber or Bieber? Justin Bieber. Just joking. And Mr. Ansari and Mr. Sujit, please. Yeah, Mr. Habib? Is Mr. Habib around? Yeah, please. Okay.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It was actually a pleasure moment to invite our chief guest and honoring him. It's actually a honor for us by his presence that he came here all the way during his busy hours, busy schedules. Thank you very much, sir, for being here and enjoying these evenings with us and finding a moments for us. Thank you very much. It's really mean a lot for our Aluapa management and our family and all of us. Thank you, and I would like to say give you a presence from Aluapa management side. Please kindly invite me to be.
Once again to our
Okay,
special
once
guest,
again to our special guest.
Mr. Flor Catanos.
Yeah.
It really means to us, sir. Thank you very much for your presence. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, please. Yes. A big round of applause to our special guest, Mr. Orante M. Catanos.
Thank you, Aluapa Hypermarket.
Just be here, guys. Just be here, sir. Just be on the stage. Just be on the stage. And of course, we would also be greatly appreciate to read this certification of appreciation. This certificate is awarded to Mr. Sherwin Lim in recognition of his participation as a guest for our Arabic prayer here tonight in Pinoy Fest 2025 held on 27th of June, organized by Aluapa Hypermarket. Because your involvement and contribution were greatly appreciated and make our tonight's event success. Ayan. Okay? Please, sir. Please award.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank
And
you.
we'll proceed for the awarding.
Yes, okay.
For the third competition,
So,
please stay.
thank you,
Please
Mr.
stay.
Flor, and thank you, Mr. Sherwin. Yes, okay. No, you just stay. Of course, you gentlemen, you should stay. Because this is your, thank you very much again for at least organizing this wonderful moment for our Filipino community. Hopefully, once we finish tonight, then the following day, especially next Thursday or Friday, Filipino community will be here. Okay, inshallah. Okay. Okay, so now we go on the food festival, the food tasting last night. Okay, and we would like to announce the winner, and we will start on the third place. Okay? Wala bang rumble dyan? Walang rumble? Okay. Ayan. Okay. To our winner for the last night food festival tasting contest, please come here on stage. She's so beautiful and very well known in Kubar. Let's call the third place winner, Miss Jessica Vinas. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Yes, okay, just stay on the stage, okay? So for our next winner, our lucky second place is, let's give him a round of applause to Mr. James Fernan Sevilla. Oh, is he? Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, Mr. James. Okay, yeah, please. And of course, we go now to our first place, the champion of them all. And she is Mrs. Maureen K. Sales. Are you there? Alright, give her a round of applause. Yes. Napakasarap ng kanyang niluto. Chicken Sisig Bicol Express. Yan, okay. Yeah, okay. Would you please go in? No, be here on the front. Okay, dito kayo. Punta na kayo dito, James. Hindi, bitbitin nyo para makita nyo yung ano. Yan, okay. Dito, yan. Sa gitna ka, James. Yan. Yes, okay. So once again, give this three lovable person, Filipino, our kabayan. Okay.
Congratulations.
Miss Maureen, Mr. James, and Miss Jessica. Round of applause. Thank you and congratulations. Thank you.
And we
Ayan.
proceed for dart competition.
Yeah. Okay now, kapatid. We will now proceed to our next competition, which is the dart competition. Darters, the Eastern Province Darters Association, are you ready? Yes, they are all alive, huh? They are longing for the, okay. Okay, first, okay.
Our third and fourth
Actually, this game is Killer 501. So, may we call the four winners for our joint third and fourth place? Very good.
Miss Malu Gonzalez and Franz Dagada.
Yun. Wow, may matching ano pa, talaga naman ha. And also, we would like to call Mr. Saldi Alquisalas and Miss Miles. Okay, please join them on stage. Okay. So, okay sir, may we give the trophy and the, yes.
Shake hands.
Okay, can you get your trophy and gifts? Yeah, okay, please. Please be awarded, okay, one by one.
Sir?
So, Miss Miles, and of course to Mr. Franz Tagata, and finally, Mrs. Malu Gonzalez. Yeah. So this is our joint third and fourth placer. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, you may just stay on the stage, huh? Okay. And of course, to our second place. Please give them both a round of applause, Miss Mariel Maralit and Mr. Joseph San Miguel. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yes. Okay. This is our second. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Maralit
And
and
Joseph
Mr. San Miguel.
Absent si Joseph.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Please enjoy your moment. Okay, guys, just stay on the stage. Okay. And for our champion. Okay. Ito na yung pinakamagaling. The best of the best. May we call on. Congratulations. A round of applause to you guys, Mr. Nelson Inieto and Mr. Marlon Gonzalez. Okay? Please take your moment.
Okay. Go. Thank you so much, Alwapa.
Alright, thank you guys.
Management. Ayan, best prices every day to the ultimate
Yeah,
value
and
shopping
actually,
experience. Yes.
Actually, we are not yet finished because, you know, for those who tried their best to come here last night, of course, Alwapa Hypermarket is very greatly and pleasure to awards. Please come here on stage. Miss Mariel Maralit. Mr. na, okay? Mr. Buddy Domingo. Please come on stage. Mr. Erwin Francia. Mr. Jason Sales. Mr. Cosri Amir. Miss Noraline Baila. Ortiz. Mr. Ruben Perocho. Maxim. Miss Esperanza Bumanlag. Mr. Franz Tagadag. Okay, dito na. And finally, Mr. Lito Grepo. Ay, teka, ano name mo? Ay, ikaw pala si Emeter. Sorry. Mr. Emeter. Ayun, dito ka pala. Okay. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, finally. Ayan na. Okay, so, can you can take it on? Including me?
Except you. Okay, once again,
Wait. Can we do it again?
thank you, Alwapa Hypermarket.
Thank you. Congratulations. Alwapa Hypermarket. Come on. Okay, ready?
Thank you and congratulations, Alwapa Hypermarket Damam. Okay?
1, 2, 3. Yay! Alright, thank you guys. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay.
We have 30 rewards.
Yes, now we will proceed to our
For the announcement of the
top 30 customers of handling privilege card. Now to be rewarded.